What's good, everybody? Today I'm going to show you that how you can create a SQL database without coding. So this is your friend Safal Sharma. For that you need an MS SQL server, any version doesn't matter. So I'm choosing here the MS SQL 2014. Just tap on it, click on connect, and there you go. You have the platform now. So for that, just go on the Object Explorer and then just expand it. You can see I have a lot of database here, so today I'm going to make a new database for you to show you. Just right click on that, go to new database. After that you'll get a new window where you need to write the name of your database. Maybe you have chosen something for your software, your website, whatever. So I'm giving here a simple name. You can see that. After that you need to click on just a OK button, and after that you see a list here. On that the database is present which I just made. After expanding you see there are a lot of other things, a lot of other folders, and we need the table one. So the table, just right click on it, click on new table, and here you go. Here you can add as many as column as you want. So for that I'm giving here a first column name which is ID, and ID should be integer. Okay, so just make sure that you give here an integer data type which is known as int, short form. The second one, the name should be in any of that. It contains some symbols, some letters, some numbers, it can be anything. So data type you can choose n varchar whatever you want. Just set the field limit, the size at 50 words, 100 words, whatever you want. And the next one I'm giving here an enrollment number. Enrollment number should be integer according to me. You can choose your thing what you want. So here you can see that the ID column, it should be a primary key so that it cannot be repeated. You cannot insert a repeated value, that is known as the primary key. So for that just right click on that. Here you go a list of all these things. Just click on the primary key, and here you go, that is set as the primary key. And you know that about the primary key, that what is the primary key. And the next one you can see in the last allow nulls column, it says that you can allow the null value or you cannot allow the null value. So if it is unchecked, that means that the column doesn't contain any null value. You have to enter some of the value on that. And if it is checked, then the null allow columns you can set it to null. And the next one I'm going to set the id एज एन इंक्रीमेंटिंग वैल्यू. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि जो वैल्यू है वो वन बाय वन इंक्रीमेंट ऑटोमेटिक होती रहे, सो उसके लिए ये है, आपको जस्ट इस जगह जाना है एंड जस्ट सेट द फर्स्ट वैल्यू कि आपको जैसे मुझे वन नंबर से स्टार्ट करना है तो मैं वन सेट किया, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन कि इंक्रीमेंट कितने नंबर से कराना है तो मैंने वो भी वन कर दिया. सो जो फर्स्ट रिकॉर्ड है, द फर्स्ट रिकॉर्ड विल बी again get the one number, and the second automatically get the second number. And now I'm going to save the table by a name. The name I have given here, and the table is ready for you. So just expand the table column and you'll get the table. And now I'm going to show you how you can insert some values by here by default on the MS SQL. Just open the table. Here you can see all your column. So in the ID column you do not need to write something, it automatically get the one number starting, and when you are going to for the second number it's automatically incremented by one. So on the name I have given the name, and for allow null it is, and the enrollment number I have set the second. You can see it will automatically get a second number on the second column when I switch to the third one. So here you can write one by one all the values for checking that your table is ready or not. So here I'm going to show you about the allow null property. So in the name field I have set that you cannot enter a null value. So in the third row I am going the name as null, I'm remaining as null, and writing an enrollment number. And after leaving that you can see that there is an error. मतलब आप name को null नहीं छोड़ सकते, you need to write something on that column. Okay, so now I'm going a name, I'm writing a name something. So you can see I'm giving a name here, and after pressing the tab, after leaving that you can see that it is set. Thank you for watching me, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel for more.